This is Euclid Book 3, Proposition number 16, Part 2. We have, once again, the diameter of the circle, which this is circle BCA right here. We have a diameter that goes from point A to point B and passes through point B. So that's the diameter of the circle. We actually have a line here that starts from point A and it goes to point E, and it happens to be perpendicular to the diameter of the circle, which is AB. Now, Euclid says that you cannot draw a line. Now, I will say one more thing. We also have a part of the circumference of this circle. This circle is ACB. Okay? So you have circle ACB, and part of that circumference is CHA. Okay. We have the part of the circumference CHA, and we also have this line AE. And what Euclid says is that you cannot draw a straight line that falls between CHA and AE. And this is how he's going to prove this. Now, first of all, he says you can't interpose a line between CHA and AE. Okay? And what he's saying here is that you can't insert a line. Interposed means insert. Okay? So, we can't insert a line between circumference CHA and AE. Well, at least not a straight line anyway. So he says, let's suppose you could, and we're going to put a line here called AF. And then we're going to put a perpendicular to AF, and it's going to be known as DG. Okay, here's DG here, here's AF here. Alright. Now, if DG is perpendicular to AF, it will automatically make angle AGD, well, here's A, here's G, and here's D. This will be 90 degrees. It will also mean the angle DAG, which is DAG, this is less than 90 degrees. Okay? It also means that line AD, here is AD, line AD is bigger than line DG, right here. Line AD is bigger than DG. And that's by Euclid Book 1, Proposition number 14, or 19, sorry, Euclid Book 1, Proposition 19. But we already said that DA and DH, here's DA here, and here's DH here, they're both radii of a circle. And since DA and DH are radii of a circle, then they're equal. DA equals DH. Then we can go on to say that line DH is bigger than DG. And of course we can see right off the bat that that's not true. So, you really can't interpose a line between CHA and AE. And that's what Euclid was trying to tell you. Alright, there is another part to this, and I will tell you that in the next video, so stay tuned.